Welcome to the Toolkit, a set of one-page tools that work with the Index of Management Terms and Practices. These tools are for a generalist manager's 4 basic duties: meeting management, strategic planning, process improvement, and project oversight. A video for the free index is on our homepage. Making decisions as a group is hard, but using the wrong tools makes it harder. No one knows where to start, and then everyone goes around in circles on facts, assumptions, and solutions. Meetings are wasted, and decisions stall. But these standard one-page tools with one-page instructions are easy to learn and easy to use. They let you face the facts together. They generate decisions that executives support with confidence. This short video will get you started with the Toolkit, but each tool has its own one-page instruction sheet with a sample, and there's a general instructions PDF at the top of the Toolkit page. Plus, there are FAQs on the support page. Trying something new is always a little frustrating at first, so you should know why it's worth learning these tools. The key reason is simply that they work. They lead to decisions that improve sales, costs, and quality. They work because they provide clear, concise logic instead of unnecessary complexity. Also, using these tools with the index lets you be confident you don't miss something, or worse, have someone else find out you've missed something. They help you be thorough. Finally, these tools are easy to communicate. You don't need an additional report. The tool is the report. Your organization saves time and money when its managers use good tools and use the same tools. There are 3 benefits to senior managers. First, it makes supervision easier. Senior managers immediately see the key facts and issues, so they know how to allocate resources. Second, it lets them delegate with confidence and establish accountability in a positive way. It frees them to focus on even bigger things. And third, it builds a knowledge base that gives the organization resilience when teams change. Our toolkit lets you lead with confidence. Because we have meetings every day, the first tool to learn is the quarter-page meeting planner. Before sharing it with anyone, print out a few copies and experiment with it. The one-page instruction sheet is on the Toolkit page. But the basic steps are: 1. Carefully define the purpose of the meeting. 2. Use the colored grid to identify the most relevant practices. And 3. Use samples from the index to bring 3 killer questions into your next meeting. Who wouldn't want a reputation for running great meetings? Now you'll be ready to try the other tools. Scroll through the toolkit to see which tool fits an issue you're facing now. Like with the meeting planner, print it out and play around with it before engaging your team. There are instructions and samples with each tool, but using any of them has 4 basic steps: preparation, invitation, facilitation, and follow-up. Details and tips for each phase, including a meeting invitation template, are in the General Instructions PDF at the top of our Toolkit page. Things go faster as your team learns the tool and enjoys successes together. You'll soon see how the tools work together for complex management decisions. There are 3 tool sets. The first is for strategic planning. There's another one for process improvement. And there's a third tool set for overseeing a portfolio of projects. You might use just the first tool in the toolset, or you might use all of them. The tools connect because the issues connect. Strategic planning connects to process improvements, and process improvements turn into projects. The tools really exist to frame a constructive conversation with your team so they can share knowledge and strengths, and most important, build trust in each other. People love accomplishing great things together. Great managers help their teams fulfill their potential. So try using a tool from the toolkit to make the best use of everyone's time and talents.